Let's say you run a business, and just to make your business processes simpler and easily accessible to your end users, you are in need of some kind of business applications. So, to build these applications, you obviously need infrastructure. Infrastructure in the sense you need network, you need storage, and you need various other things where developers can come in, they can use the tools, and they can develop applications and give it to you. Now, traditionally, what we have been doing is we were owning all these infrastructures. We're still owning, but this is basically in your kind of control. In cloud computing terms, we basically use someone else's infrastructure and develop our applications or run our applications. So, which means that a vast network of these kind of servers equipped with different tools and technologies so that they can cater to your requirements and you can use them. So this is called cloud. So accessing your servers, your resources over the internet is basically cloud. So when we say we are accessing different types of resources over the internet and we call it cloud, then what these resources are. So generally, there are three categories of resources which we consume over internet. It could be softwares. So maybe subscribing to a software or a web application and based on your billing, paying it. It could be infrastructure, which gives you network bandwidth and everything. Maybe databases, the storage, which you need for your application. Or it could be a full-fledged platform where it gives you environments completely ready to be used, where you can build your application, run it, and scale it. So three things which are being served on the cloud. It could be softwares, infrastructures, or platform. We call it software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service because these are being served on internet. So the question arises, like, how are they being served on the internet? If I'm using someone else's computer, is it exclusively for me or for others as well? So here also there are three types of landscapes we see. The first one is public, which means that you are using a shared computer, although your data is completely isolated with other users. So when I say computers, it means servers. Second one is the servers which are completely and exclusively provisioned for you. So these are private version of the servings. And sometimes customers have requirements that for some use cases they go public and for some they go private. So this is called a hybrid type of landscape. So now we know what cloud is and what is being served, but who serves it? So there are major players in this area. So it could be Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, maybe Alibaba Cloud,